let's talk about how to perform an edge crust test step by step, powered by Pacorr. Want to check how strong your corrugated board is? Let's see how to perform an edge crust test step by step. Step 1. Prepare the sample. Firstly, cut a sample of the corrugated board. The standard size is usually 25 mm wide and 100 mm tall. Make sure the edges are smooth and straight. Step 2. Set up the machine. Turn on the edge crust tester and set it to ECT mode. Make sure the machine is calibrated correctly before testing. Step 3. Place the sample. Now place the sample vertically between the two compression plates of the machine. Ensure it stands straight and it's centered properly. Step 4. Start the test. Press the start button. The machine will apply pressure to the edge until the board crushes. 5th. Record the result. The machine will show the maximum force applied before the edge was crushed. This is your edge crust test value. Step 6. Repeat the accuracy. To get accurate results, repeat the test with at least 5 samples and take the average value. And that's it. Edge crust testing is quick, easy and essential for quality packaging. Use Pacorr's edge crust tester for reliable and accurate results. For more information, visit pacorr.com and you can call us 888-214-9230.